Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. As you'll see in the photos, the boat is equipped with the quantum blue hull sides, and it does have the fiberglass panels in the arch to match. We've optioned this boat out with the 300 horsepower Mercury V8 in white. You have the sea deck matting across the swim platform as well as through the entire cockpit of the boat. One of the really unique features about the 250 SDX is the transom seat. You have a forward-facing seat with a full open cockpit, or you can reverse that seat and slide this back to really maximize your swim platform room when everybody's hanging out off the back of the boat. You do have an insulated compartment here that you use as a cooler off the transom of the boat. Plenty of storage that runs up the port side seating. Slide this back for a walkthrough. As you come through the transom door, you do have stereo controls here, freshwater sprayer, easy access to your battery switch. As I'd mentioned earlier, you have the gray sea deck matting throughout the boat, which matches really nicely with the stone interior. It has the white sports arch with a nice big sunshade. Designated carry-on, carry-off cooler storage. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there is the blue LED lighting package on the boat as well. Both the companion seat and the helm seat have movable backrests to give you aft-facing loungers. Flip-up bolsters. At the helm, we have the 12-inch digital dash. That's your SIMRAD unit. All of your engine functions as well as your GPS and depth finder will flow through that. It has the upgraded Fusion stereo system. The 300 Mercury is digital throttle and shift. The other unique thing about the 250 SDX Outboard is that you have the port side pass-through up to the bow, so it combines the space for the head compartment and under the helm to give you one really big head area, changing space, storage space. It's also outfitted with the head cushion upgrade package, so you can actually use that as a little berth as well. As we walk our way up to the bow of the boat, you have a full width bench seat here in front of the console. It gives you 3 wide. You can also set this up with the filler cushion set. And then you have another cooler storage space here, as well as a bow table. Designated locker for your anchor, and you have a bow boarding ladder here, as well as another freshwater sprayer. So that's a real quick look at our 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.